Hey guys, welcome back to a new workout video. Today we're going to focus on core and waist exercise. This will be a planking series, school Pilates, so let's get started. Come to your hands and knees, spine straight. Put your right leg back, your left leg. Lengthen through the spine, head up, shoulders wide, and pull the abs in. Hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It is very important to keep breathing here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now lean a bit more on the left side. We're going to extend the right arm forward, rotate over like a big rainbow, bend the arm, and place it back. Lean more to the right side, extend your left arm, open up, and come back. You want to keep your body as still as possible here in the middle. Don't move too much. And 3, 4. Scoop the abs in. Extend forward, open up. Really get that rotation. Lengthen forward, open up. Bring the arm down. 4 more. This is 4. Pull the abs in, lengthen through the spine. 3. Right arm forward. Open up. We're also working our arms here. Squeeze, left arm forward. And rotate over. And hold. Find your position again, straight. Come to your elbows and come back up 10 times. We squeeze the butt, squeeze those abdominals. You want to try to wiggle as much or less as possible. 6, 4, 2, and 1. Lower the heels together and come into a plank position. Arms parallel, hips down, shoulders wide, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep breathing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, come to the left side, extend your arm long, hips up, pull the abdominals in, and hold for 10, 9, keep the spine straight, don't hang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to a plank position and move to the other side. Extend the arm long up into the air, pull the abs in, hips long, shoulders wide. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to a plank, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on your heels, and we're coming into a child's pose. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through the mouth. Come to all fours. Go into a cat-cow. Your head up. And roll vertical. And a big round ball. And come back into a cow. Roll back into a cat. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through the mouth. Amazing. We're coming back to a plank position. Elbows on the ground, hands are parallel. Don't put them together in a V because we want to keep the shoulders straight. Extend the right leg back, extend the left leg back. Come into a plank position. Shoulders wide, pull the abs in, hips low, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, keep breathing, 3, 2, 1. Come to the left side into a plank. Gonna lower down on the inhale, exhale, reach over and extend for 10, 9, keep breathing, 8, 7, 6, 5, pull the abs in, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to a plank position and hold in the middle and moving on to the right side. Same thing. Pull the abs in, hips are high, extend through the arm, lengthen through the spine. Lower the hips down, lower the arm down, and exhale, come back up and move your arm over your head and shoulders and down for 9. Pull the abs in, really working that waist. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to a plank. Hold in the middle for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come to a child's pose. Give your body a deep stretch. This is all favorite exercise. Take a deep breath through the nose. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. For the second one, I want you to make some noise. Really let it out. Let all the emotions, the energy out of today. So inhale through the nose. One more time. Let everything go. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Amazing. Last set. Coming back into a plank position. Right leg back, left leg back. Coming to a plank. Squeeze those glutes. Abdominals in. Shoulders wide. We're going to move our shoulders forward like a saw and come back for 10. This is a very small, controlled motion. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold in the middle. Hip dip the left side. Rotate the hips to the right side. 10, 9, keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, pull the abs in, keep the hips low. 3, 2, and 1. Come to the left side, hip high, hold the plank for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep breathing through the nose, through the mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the middle, hold here for 2 seconds, and move to the right. Hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, hips high, pull the abdominals in. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to a plank. Final 10. For 10, really squeeze here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're done. Going back to a child's pose. Move your arm to the right side. Really lengthen out the left side of your body. Take a deep inhale. Exhale out. And walk your hands over to the left side. Stretch the right side of your body. Take a deep inhale. Exhale out. Coming to the middle. Come to on all fours. Move the butt back. And lengthen through the shoulders. Give your body a deep stretch here. Keep breathing. You guys did an amazing job. We really worked those internal obliques, external, the waist, and come to a downward facing. Really stretch the front of your abs. Look up into the sky. And come back to the middle. And we're done with a very intense ab planking series. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this routine and what other kind of videos you would like to see. See you soon.